Hi friends, welcome to Be First to Copy. So today we're gonna learn how to delete apps from Android Studio. Whatever you work on projects, I want to show you that how we can delete that. If you're a new user like me, then you need to understand how to do that because I tried for a couple of times, but I could not able to do it. So that's why I'm telling you. So as you can see, these are the projects that I have tried till now. There are lots of projects, and the reason why I'm deleting because all of them unfinished projects and I could not finish it, and I made a lot of that. So I'm gonna delete all of them and start from new, and I work on one project. So as you can see, if I double click here, I'm not seeing any option. Okay, I can only go to the pages, and I don't know how to delete it. Okay, even in a file I just see the close project, but option to delete I don't know where it is. Okay, so what I can do, there's an easy way. I will just go to my finder and just go to your computer. Okay, then go to users and admin. As you can see that all the projects that we have worked till now, they are saved here. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna just delete all of them. Okay, we're gonna select all of them and move to trash. Okay, now we're gonna empty the trash. Let's open again Android Studio. Let's see if we have our projects or not. If you go here and your recent projects, as you can see there are. If I click open, there is none. Okay, so this is the way you can do that. It's one of the easiest way I can think of right now. There is option to delete it, but this is the easiest one that I can think of it, and really easy to do that. So try this way. Okay, yeah, it taken time, but that is the thing you can do. You can use also other ways that I don't know. As I told you that I found that it was really easy. So remove from the list, remove from the list, and remove from the list. Now as you can see that I have no projects, really empty. So from now on I'm gonna create new projects and work on. Thank you for watching video. Meet you next video. Bye.